Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville BES 900 XL espresso machine. Now for this machine we just sealed the boiler. It was leaking from over here. The steam boiler was actually leaking, so we had to replace the gaskets of the steam boiler, and we also replaced the boiler, the brew boiler gaskets as well. And yeah, that's all we do. So the machine is working perfectly fine. It's going up to 100 degrees. It's getting up to 200 as well, and it's not leaking in any way. 3-way solenoid is still good. There's no buzzing noise or anything like that. Shower flow is amazing, it's great. And let's back flush it to test the gauge. Okay, now that we're gonna test the pressure gauge using a blind filter. Gauge going to 9. No noise or anything. Let's say back flush. Okay, going to 9. Working perfectly fine. There you have it, Breville BES 900 XL, not leaking anymore. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.